The most common side effect of the oral administration of the ampicillin. A lot of patients complain of diarrhea with ampicillin. So in this context, you should know a bit on different types of penicillins, doctor. Manisha and everybody, please punch your answers, doctor. Even though we are in the middle of this discussion, please do punch your answers. That will be reinforcing your way to reach the correct answer using the spinal cord, not even using your brain and frontal cortex, right? So that is the whole idea of these sessions. Remember ODCA, acid resistant penicillins. V, penicillin V, O, oxacillin, dicloxacillin, K, cloxacillin, amoxicillin, ampicillin, they are all called acid resistant penicillins. What are penicillinase resistant penicillins? Always penicillin means you will remember syphilis, syphilis means condom, right? So condom, remember cloxacillin, oxacillin, neficillin, dicloxacillin and methicillin. That makes the condom easy to remember. Sarah Khan is asking, sir, please tell topic for tomorrow's class. You mean topic for the quiz or topic for discussion? Which one, Sarah, you meant to say? I'm very sure today's our online adventure of Zoom video conferencing with the live students when that session is broadcasted is still a success. Only thing is we need to be a little selective with 4 or 5 students who are volunteering to become the what you call the quiz participants. Pharma discussion topic. Okay, Sarah, what I like to do is I will send you all people. Please do call our helpline 900868-356. I will ask them to send you the PDF of the topic-wise questions that we are discussing without answers. I will send it across to you people, all the 750 MCQs PDF. So we will be going through that particular things in the same order as in that PDF. I think that will make a great sense. Please do call our helpline 900868-356. By tomorrow afternoon, they will make ready that PDF, and whoever calls our helpline, we will provide you the PDF of the questions. But I'm telling you questions without answers, so that you come here, you take it like a quiz, answer it, and then participate in discussion. So that is the whole idea. But you will have the overall list of all 750 MCQs, right? That is the goal. But please do call 900868-356 in order to get that PDF for you. Now, what are the penicillin side effects? You should remember A, B, C, D, triple S. What is A, B, C, D, triple S? Abdominal pain, anaphylaxis, black tongue, diarrhea, skin rash, stomach upset, seizures. Rahul is asking, sir, what about 5 AM class? See, doctor, sometimes though I wanted to quickly sleep at 9 o'clock and then wake up at 4:30 and deliver a class at 5 o'clock, it's becoming a little difficult sometimes. You know, life is very unexpected engagements and unexpected social commitments. So 99% I try to deliver this session early morning, 5 to 8 AM. But if I am not able to, please excuse me. I am also falling into a habit. I am also trying, like you guys, to wake up early morning and start a great day. That's my best attempt. Okay, that's good. Now, yes. You should remember that ampicillin plus cloxacillin, post-operative infections, and diarrhea, rashes, especially with ampicillin, HIV, Epstein-Barr virus, and leukemic patients, they will develop rash. Then if you take amoxicillin, it has a lower incidence of diarrhea compared to that of the ampicillin. That is what you need to basically remember, right? Now, what are the side effects of semi-synthetic penicillins? Basically, why do you get diarrhea if you take ampicillin? Because it irritates the mucous membrane. That is the reason, not pseudomembranous colitis. Then superinfection, of course, even that can be responsible. Like Clostridium, Pseudomonas, Candida, fungi, Enterococci, superinfection can occur. There can be a pain in the injection area, allergies, granulocytopenia, especially with oxacillin. And platelet count, platelet aggregation become reduced with ampicillin. Very specific side effect which you need to basically remember. Similarly, disorders of the liver function and encephalopathy, especially very high doses, it's a dose-related adverse effect of the ampicillin, of the penicillins, encephalopathy. Very high doses only you get encephalopathy. That is a point you need to emphatically remember. Now, doctor, this is very important. Beta-lactams का classification क्या है? Penicillins, cephalosporins, monobactams and carbapenems. Penicillins में you have natural penicillins, penicillin G, benzathine penicillin, and orally taken penicillin V, these are all natural penicillins. Then you have anti-staphylococcal penicillins. Which ones? You need to mug up this table invariably, doctor. Oxacillin, nafcillin and dicloxacillin. Out of them, dicloxacillin is taken perorally. Oxacillin, nafcillin is being given intravenously. Oxacillin, nafcillin is being given intravenously is what you need to remember. Then what are amino penicillins, doctor? Ampicillin and amoxicillin. So typically ampicillin is combined with sulbactam and given intravenously. Amoxicillin is combined with clavulanic acid and given orally. All of you know very well. Now, if you look at the cephalosporins, doctor, cephalexin, cefazolin, cefuroxime, ceftriaxone, ceftazidime, cefepime, and fifth generation ceftarolin is the fifth generation, and cephalexin, cefazolin is first, cefuroxime example of second, and ceftriaxone, ceftazidime example of third, cefepime is the fourth. Now, how will you be able to extend the activity of the cephalosporins to the gram-negative rods, even gram-negative rods? How can you extend their spectrum? If you combine with tazobactam, then you can be able to extend it to the gram-negative rods. Then how about monobactams? Monobactams are estrionam. Estrionam is effective on aerobic gram-negative pseudomonas, whereas it is not good for anaerobes. It is not good for gram-positive, but gram-negative pseudomonas, very effective. Then carbapenems. Imipenem, meropenem, doripenem and ertapenem. These are all basically carbapenems. Now, doctor, if you look at all semi-synthetic penicillins, how can you divide the semi-synthetic penicillins? Those which are penicillinase resistant, extended spectrum and beta-lactamase inhibitors. Methicillin, cloxacillin, dicloxacillin, ये सब चीजें penicillinase resistant. Clavulanic acid, sulbactam, tazobactam are being added to be the beta-lactam inhibitors. Then you have aminopenicillins which have extended spectrum. What are they? Ampicillin, becampicillin, and amoxicillin. Then you have carboxypenicillin, which is a extended penicillin, extended spectrum penicillin. That would be carbencillin, right? Then you have uridopenicillins that have an extended spectrum. Piperacillin, medulocillin are the uridopenicillins is what you have to emphatically remember. So this is one important classification. Ekdam clarity liner, no confusion. All MCQs are single liners, are all based on this single PowerPoint slide down there. Right? Now, once more, let us be very clear on the classification of penicillins. You have benzyl penicillin and the congeners. Penicillin G hota hai, benzyl penicillin both intravenous, intramuscular. Penicillin V hota hai, phenoxymethyl penicillin. Then you have beta-lactamase resistant penicillins, that is nafcillin, methicillin, which are given intravenously, and isoxazoyl penicillins, cloxacillin, dicloxacillin, flucloxacillin. You have broad spectrum penicillins, in that you have aminopenicillins, that is ampicillin, becampicillin, pivampicillin, and amoxicillin. Then you have extended spectrum penicillins. They include carboxy and uridopenicillins. I am trying to revise once more for you, taki this goes and directly sits in your mind, but a very important classification. Carbencillin, picarcillin is intravenous. Piperacillin, medulocillin, edulocillin is intravenous. That is what you have to basically remember.